Bought and tested 3 of Amazon's most popular back and posture adjusters. I tell you everything you need to know about them and which one might be best for you. They are all very similar, but there are some very distinct differences that may help you make a better choice. And hopefully I could do that for you today. We got the Fit Gino right over here. We got the ComfyBrace over here. And then we have the Sriracha, I guess that's how you say that, over here. So we're going to start with the Fit Gino right over here. This one over here, this is what it looks like. We got metal rods in the back here for support. I'm also going to show you what it looks like over a shirt, if you could see it or not for each one. I know that is important to a lot of people. So this is adjustable. We have Velcro on here. This does come in different sizes, different colors as well. For this one right over here, we're going to put this on just like a backpack. This is going to be great for posture and lower back support. So we're just going to throw this on just like this. So we'll put that on over just like that. We're just going to put it on like a backpack. Really easy to put this on right over here. These straps are easy to adjust. The material is very breathable. And then you don't have to worry. You're just going to pull this across just like this. You want to make sure this is nice and tight. Now you can see right over here, I got the lower back support. I could feel it already right over here. And then this straps right here are kind of pulling my shoulders forward. So I'm not like slouched over like this. So this is what it looks like when you're put it over a shirt. I don't think it's that noticeable. It's going to depend on your shirt. If you're wearing like a white shirt or something, you might see the black through it. But in terms of kind of looking at the back right over there, you can't really see it. If your shirt is on the little bit of the tighter side, obviously you might see a line or two, but you kind of see when this is like buttoned like this, you don't really notice anything, which is a nice feature. So you could easily wear this under clothing. Let's move over to the ComfyBrace now. The ComfyBrace comes in one size. It's going to fit chest like between 30 and 42. This is exactly what this one looks like. This is adjustable with Velcro. This material is very breathable. You can adjust it right over here via this strap. It just hits the Velcro right over here. To put this on, very similar to a backpack as well. You're just going to adjust it to what you think, and you could always readjust it later. Just going to put it one on just like that. And for this one, I like to just kind of loop down like that. If you try to pull too hard on it, the Velcro will come off. It is super tight, but just know that even if it is, if you're just like really pulling this down, so I just kind of like slide my leg right over there. You can see this is pulling me forward already on the posture. If I'm trying to lunge over, I could feel like the tension. This will take about a week to get used to, because if you're used to kind of being like this, having something pull the opposite way will take some time to get used to. This is kind of what it looks like right over here. Does not come as far down as the Fit Gino. We'll go over the comparison in a second. After we do the other one right over here. In terms of what does this look like under a shirt right over here, you can't really notice it at all. So if you want to wear this to the office or something like that, it's not going to be super noticeable. So you're not going to have to worry about that at all. Let's get to our last one real quick, and then we'll go over the comparison. This is going to be the Sriracha, this one right over here. And you'll see right over here, that's kind of how you want it. You want it to be hard to come off, because that means it is tight enough to kind of do what you have to do. So this one looks like very similar right over here. We have the adjustable straps back here and also the Velcro as well. This one might be a little thicker. Maybe not. No, it's a little thicker. So we're just going to put this on the same way. Remember, when you're putting these on, just kind of let that arm just slide in just like that, and then you kind of want to just like kind of get it going down just like that. It's about the right size for me. Pulling it forward right over here, this is kind of what it looks like on the back right over there. Now in terms of a shirt right over here, we're just going to put this on just like that, and then we're good to go. I really like both of these, all of them really. I'll tell you how I use them. And then you can see that's exactly how this one goes right over here. So let's get into kind of the comparisons right over here. So if you're really looking for more lower back support, there we go. And also a little bit of the posture correction, the the Fit Gino is going to be the one for you, just because it is longer, it comes down to the back more. So that's kind of going to be the one that you're going to want to go with. This does come in different sizes and colors, and it has that nice breathable fabric. In terms of if you're just looking for posture correction, you don't necessarily need lower back support. It's going to be the ComfyBrace or the Sriracha. Now, the difference between these two, they are very similar. You can see the straps are very similar, just like that. Strap to strap, you can kind of see, looks like they're about the same. So it's a little bit about the same. The ComfyBrace, I don't know. They're very similar. I would say almost this one right here seems like a little bigger. They're both very comfortable. You really can't go wrong with each one of them. The only difference with this Sriracha one is it also comes with these straps as well. So if you needed a little bit more Velcro, you could definitely put that on as well. So those are kind of the three braces. You got the Fit Gino if you're looking for the lower back support and posture correction. And all of them look nice under clothing. You got the ComfyBrace right over here. And then you have the Sriracha. If you're looking for more posture, it's going to be the ComfyBrace or the Sriracha. If you're looking for that lower back support, it's going to be the Fit Gino. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I hope you find the right back brace for you.